Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little comparison video between two of the smaller 12Little backpacks. I have here on the left the Mini On-the-Go. This is in the stripe print. And then on the other side next to it I have the Blush Kids Little Companion backpack. And both of these I have in stock at Zahramay Boutique. I have had a lot of requests on the size comparison between these two bags, so I just wanted to do a video showing you all how I have the Mini On-the-Go packed and how that compares to how it would fit into the Kids Companion backpack. So I have actually done a video on the Kids Companion backpack as well as a comparison video with this one and the Mini B. So I will link that below so you can have a look at that one. So I personally have used the Companion Mini backpack and I love it. I think it's the perfect size. I have the blush here as well as the leopard print and I like both of those prints very, very much. This is the first time packing up the Mini On-the-Go and I was a little hesitant because it doesn't have bottle pockets, but it actually worked out pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I have this packed up for one child, my 2-year-old daughter, for a quick trip or even most of the morning out. I basically was able to fit in here what I would normally take in my other bags, which is very, very cool. So I'll go over the features of each bag real quick just to show the differences. So the Mini On-the-Go does have just one pocket at the front here and it's a zip pocket here. The Mini Companion has a zip pocket as well, but I guess it looks smaller, but because it's a little bit taller, I kind of feel like they fit similar things. As I said, there are no bottle pockets on the Mini On-the-Go. On the Mini Companion, there are bottle pockets on each side that are stretchy. They stretch out. This is more of a quilted material, kind of definitely feels like a padded quilted. This is a very smooth, non-textured, wipeable, it feels lovely, it really does, material. So similar to, I guess, the Jujube materials. Somebody asked me that today actually, so that is kind of a good comparison, I suppose, but I feel like it's a little bit high quality. I don't know, it's very, very nice. There are grab handles. This is a padded grab handle with a leatherette trim on the top, which is nice. This is just a seatbelt strap grab handle, but that's okay. There is a definite price difference between these two bags, so I guess that's kind of where the leatherette trim and the padded handle and all that come into play when you look at the price differences. So they both have a padded backpack straps, which are really nice. They're kind of situated similar on the back of the bag here. Both have a plastic adjuster. The Mini On-the-Go does have a leatherette trim on the end of the strap, which is kind of cool. This one doesn't, it's just a seatbelt strap. There aren't feet on any of these little backpacks. Now on the back of this bag here, you do have a zip compartment, which is kind of cool, and that goes all the way across to this side of the backpack, which is really cool. And you don't have that on this one. None of them have any memory foam padding on the back, which is fine with me because that makes me hot anyway. And I guess the only other thing is the zipper on this is metal on the Mini On-the-Go, nylon on the front, whereas this is kind of like a plastic zipper. Both have nice zipper pulls. This is more of a leatherette. This is a leatherette too, but it's obviously smaller. This is rose gold hardware, silver hardware. This has a little ring at the front. This just has the leatherette logo right there. Going into the center of the bag, it's pretty much the exact same organization, which you will see once I start unpacking and packing this one up. So let's get started without any ado. I will show you how this is packed and then we will just transfer it into the Mini Companion. I guess we'll just do it side by side so then you can really see how it compares. Instead of unpacking and repacking, we'll just go straight from this bag into this bag. Okay, so you've got this really long zipper on here and you actually do have a leatherette accent on the end of this zipper here, which is I just noticed. And on the inside you do have the 12Little typical lining, which is nice, very similar. It's the same lining as the regular size On-the-Go, which I do have as well, which I love. They're both really good bags. Okay, so in this pocket I do have my keys. And there is a key leash here, but this isn't stretchy, so I wouldn't attach my keys to that, but there is a silver clip on the end of that. And then there I do have my mini Y pouch in there as well, and my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss and such. So I would actually put most of this stuff in the front here as well, in the mini companion. So in the lining, it is it's still got the 12 little characters, but it's a little bit more immature looking, I suppose. Well, it's cute, it's very, very cute, but there's no key leash in here. So I'd pop my mini Y pouch in there, my lipstick and lip gloss stuff, and my keys I'd actually put into one of the bottle pockets, because I'm only going to be using one bottle pocket. So unzip that up. Back here, there is a zipper compartment, as I mentioned, and this is actually where I popped my phone, just because that's a good spot, or this goes in the pocket of my pants, to be honest. So this actually I put in the front pocket of the mini companion when I'm using this bag. So we'll go into the inside now. There's 2 zipper pulls. This does fold down very nicely. You can see inside there. And then the mini companion, same. So this has basically the exact same pockets. So you do have a zip pocket at the back here, little zip pocket. This one, however, does not have a little zip pocket, but it does have a little name tag section here, so you can use this for children, put their name and everything, or if you're traveling, you could always put your name and stuff in there too. So what we'll do is I'll take out my nappy pouch first. This is the medium of the trio set by TWELVElittle, and here I have my nappy knees, so 2 size 5 nappies, light change pad, coin purse. So I'm going to put that into the mesh pocket of this bag, of the mini companion. In the back here, in this little pocket, I have my coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties. There are 2 pockets at the front here, as well as 2 pockets at the front on this bag. So the same organization there. Take the things out of the middle of here first. So first of all, I have 2 snack bags. I have a play pack, custom made, a Y pouch, and a fugu thermos. Now the fugu thermos I'm going to put into this bottle pocket here on the mini companion. And the rest of the things are going to go into the center of the mini companion. Very, very easy to fit that in there. The front of this bag, there are 2 slip pockets, as I said, and in one side I just have my wallet, which is a small jujube set piece, and the other side I do have a small set piece, which is my med kit, and my hand sanitizer. So these things will go basically in the same pockets. Now, but basically what I would do in this bag, I would put them in the same way. So I would put my small set piece into this pocket here, and my hand sanitizer, and then I put my wallet into the other slip pocket. My coin purse I would just pop into the bag, into the corner, like that, just into that corner right there. So let me just get some top-down view of the bag, and you can see the organization of this one too. So here is a top-down view into the mini companion. So you can see that I do have the play pack, Y pouch, coin purse in the corner, snack bags, wallet right there, small set piece, hand sanitizer, nappy things, and drink. Now this is what the inside of the Mini On-the-Go looks like. It's very much the same as the regular size, just smaller. So as you can see, very, very similar organization to the mini companion, except for this little pocket here and the back little zip pocket. So there you go, guys. I hope that gave you an idea of these 2 bags, how they compare in size. They feel very much the same on my back. They are not too small for an adult. I'm 5'9", about a size 12 Australian. I think that's, what's that, like a 10 American. So it fits me nicely, and it fits on children nicely too. So they're very nice options for little backpacks, if you ask me. I hope that answers any questions you guys may have. If you do have any more questions, pop them down below. And I hope you guys have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.